Hi, my name is Emil Euaparadorn. I'm a physical therapist over at Aspire Center in New York City, Manhattan. Today we'll be discussing how to strengthen the gluteus maximus. Huge muscle, very important, makes us stand tall, gives us an extra pushing off when we're running, gives stability to your sacroiliac joints, so it helps with lower back pain. So commonly, the most common way to strengthen this muscle is to do a bridge. Esther will demonstrate over here, but there are too many ways one could compensate. So I'm going to demonstrate the correct way of doing a bridge. So the first thing you do is you pull your stomach in very slightly. Number two, take your pelvis and rotate it posteriorly, right? Do a pelvic tilt, some people will say. Number three, squeeze your butt muscles. Now lift up only 3 inches. The goal here is to maintain this pelvic tilt. Don't tilt your pelvis this way, so don't arch your back, but make sure you tilt it that way. As you're still squeezing your buttocks muscle, put your hands on your hip bones, and your goal, you're going to lift up this leg in a second, but make sure that these guys stay at the same level, and this hip is not dropping. So you're going to lift up your leg here, and making sure your pelvis doesn't drop. So the wrong way is that you see this and here drop down as soon as you lift up this leg. No, you have to make sure they're level to really engage the rotation function of the gluteus maximus. Okay. So then once again, the key here is make sure you don't arch your lower back. You can stop. As you're doing this exercise, you really feel a nice burn in your gluteus maximus. However, if you feel your hamstrings kicking in, which is normal, but if you feel it's too strong, some people actually get a cramp, that means your hamstrings are over-dominating and your poor gluteus maximus is too weak. So the goal is to do enough repetitions before that kicks in. So if you felt a hamstring burn at the 9th repetition, your goal is to only do 8 repetitions. Right? Do 3 sets of 8 and work your way up. The ultimate goal is to do 2 minutes straight. The gluteus maximus is a huge endurance muscle, so you really need to work it in that type of function.